Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for May 30th through June 13th. We're getting close to the hurricane season, and that begins on June 1st. And then on that following Monday, I'll probably give a breakdown of what a little analysis at the beginning of the hurricane season. Right now, there's nothing, just a couple of waves traversing across the Caribbean and the Central Atlantic. Okay, we're going to look at the period from May 30th through June 3rd. And this is what we're forecasting here. Oh, why isn't it moving? They're giving me a hard time today again. Okay. 30th to June 3rd, that's what we forecast here. The pattern would be in transition mode as an upper low and trough moves into the west, and the eastern trough lifts out as a ridge shifts to the east. And you'll see that as we go through the period. See that? The trough, here's our upper low, here's the trough, here's the ridge. And then as we get to the third, the ridge pushes inland, pushes the trough out. Okay, so within this period, we have a complex system. And we'll go to the all right, we don't have all the model. All right, we'll look at this one, the GFS, the 30th. We have a system here in the Midwest traversing across the south, but it may merge with the upper low over the east and the trough and then move up the coast. And this could bring some enhanced rainfall. So we'll look at that rainfall amounts here in the east first. Okay, here is the GFS. So it's forecasting about a little over an inch to the south across the Delmarva area, half an inch across the New York City area, and then we go into Friday, then it lifts out. We're looking at the NBAM. Has moderate rainfall, so it doesn't look like it'll be heavy rain across the region. The main surface slope lifts, lifts in to eastern Canada on Friday and into the weekend, while final boundary sags to the south. So we'll look at that at the surface. Go to the surface here. And we have a trailing front across this region here, across the southeast. This will bring some rain and storms across portions of the south and the southeast, and the Gulf of Mexico. Okay, we have an upper ridge that prevail across much of the west, the Intermountain West, this weekend, as the southern stream closed low slowly works towards the southwest. Northern stream energy and the Pacific trough application southward will approach this weekend and progress into the west. And this could bring some relief from the heat into the west. The building of widespread unsettled pattern will increasingly be inland across the Intermountain West. Then we have a building ridge. This gets complicated because it's like very compact. Will lead to an expanding area of heat from the Intermountain West to the West Coast this weekend into this week, with temperatures running about 10 to 20 degrees above normal. Okay, we're going to look at the period for June 4th to the 8th. And a 12 is forecast in the west. Let me see if I can show you. In the west, and we have above normal heights with a zone of flow across the remainder of the country. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here with anomalies that are 4 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here with anomalies of up to 6 degrees above normal, mainly here and along the Gulf Coast. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence near 40%, below normal precipitation here. And for this region, probability of occurrence is near 40%. I think this is trending wetter now, but I'm keeping this way for now until tomorrow. Okay, we look at the period now for May 9th to the 13th. And GFS, since it's ensembles, has a trough in the west. You can see right here, a little bit of a dip. And we have a zonal float above normal heights across the remainder of the nation. So for this forecast period, I am calling for above normal temperatures for much of this region here, with the anomalies near 6 degrees above normal, mainly in the orange. Another note, I kept it like this for now. I'm going to take a close look at this tomorrow. Maybe it'll be a little cooler. I don't think the numbers be as high up here. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here for this region. Probability of occurrence is near 35%. Above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Okay, we'll just take a quick look at the severe weather. Excuse me. We'll take a look at the severe weather threat, if there is any. I think there is. Just a second. Okay, we have one severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Georgia, and you can see right here we'll widen this, and we have this is because this line is moving in here. So we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for Peach City, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Spalding County and west central Georgia, eastern Fayette County and north central Georgia, Henry County and north central Georgia, and Clayton County and north central Georgia until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. We have a thunderstorm located along a line extending from near Riverdale to J.W. Smith Reservoir to near Brooks, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard would be wind gusts, radar indicated. Take cover if you're caught out indoors. And we have this flood warning here. This is in effect for southern Cherokee County and northeastern Alabama until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And at 2:35 p.m., the EMA reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of up to a half inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing and expected to begin shortly. Take cover if caught outdoors. Okay, that's it for now. That is the long-range weather forecast discussion from May 30th to June 13th. And don't forget my live YouTube broadcast at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Have a good day and see you tomorrow.